Hello, 你们好. This is Chinese for Us Hands-on Writing, Stroke by Stroke. I'm Lily.
And I'm Chuck. Thanks for joining us.
As we've mentioned in our last video, you can either write down the characters or you can also type them.
Let's try both and see how they work.
First, I'll write down the character 我. It means I or me. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7画. That's 7 strokes.
And here I'll show you how to type out the same character. I'm using the Windows 10 default Chinese IME. The pinyin for 我 is WO, so I will type out WO here. When typing, we don't need to worry about the tones, just type out the pinyin spelling. And now after I typed out the spelling, we see a list of all the characters that share the same spelling as 我. And all I have to do now is just type the number that's in front of the character that I want. So here it is, it's listed as number 1. So I'll just go ahead and type the number 1, and there it is.
Also, there are other pinyin typing tools, and they all share the same typing method and process. We recommend Baidu Pinyin Input, Sogou Pinyin Input, or QQ Pinyin Input. They are made by big companies in China. Personally, I've tried all of them, so have most of my friends and family in China. Google Pinyin Input is also good.
You could try out all of them and see which one you prefer. You can download the input to your computer, or your Android devices, or your iOS devices. I would say that most of the time these third-party pinyin inputs are better than the default ones. Okay, let's try another one.
This time I'll try a word. How about 品味? I'll write it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's 17 strokes.
And I'll type it out with the pinyin syllable 品味. That's P-I-N-W-E-I. Again, we don't have to worry about the tones. So in the list, there are 3 words. 1 is 品味, 2 is 品味, and 3 is 拼味. Ours is the first one, so I'll just go ahead and type 1, and here's our word.
From the way we type out the word, you could see that as long as we could recognize the characters, we were able to type them out. So typing doesn't require us to actually be able to write the characters by hand.
But memorizing the look of the characters could not be easier as long as you A, know the stroke and element construction of the characters, this is the understanding part, and B, you practice writing each character a few times, because this helps in memorizing them.
And one thing we would recommend is that for practical usage, like study, work, social, or everyday purposes, typing is way easier, and even Chinese people use typing a lot more than writing these days.
But to understand the Chinese writing system better and for you to be able to type better, understanding the basics of character construction is key. Also, personally, I love the idea of being able to write the Chinese characters too. Apart from its use, it's like an interesting puzzle and also an art.
Right. Hope this video would help. 谢谢收看.
Thanks for watching. Next time we'll talk about simplified characters versus traditional characters. Stay tuned and see you next time.
再见.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up below or subscribe. As a member of our website, you'll have access to even more lessons, so feel free to visit us at chinese4.us. Also, our social links are to the right. Thanks and see you next time.